I'm at the end of my paper here, so I'm hoping that I can just fit it real quick. For the U-Try, it says a college volleyball team can spend at most $750 for an awards banquet. So at most means that's their budget. They can't go over $750. The restaurant charges $80 for setup. There's our fixed. And $16 per person. The $16 per person is the variable. So what we're going to do is write our equation. So we've got our fixed amount plus our variable amount, and we can only spend $750. Can't go over that. We're going to take off the setup fee for the restaurant. Got to pay that first. And that looks like that would be $670 left in the budget for people. Now we got to divide this thing by 16. So I'm pulling my calculator out for this one. And I'm going to do 670 divided by 16. Oh, I love it. When we divide both sides by 16, this is what happens. You get 41.875. That's what ends up in the calculator, okay, when you divide that. The problem is there's no such thing as 41.8 people, but we only have $750. So because we only have $750, there's not enough money to pay for a total of 42 people. We're short. So that means that we can only let 41 people attend. All right. So again, the reason why we're not rounding up here is because this literally means that we don't have enough money to cover 42. So that means that we can only invite 41 people to show up. Now, to show you how this actually works, I'm going to put it in reverse for a minute. Let me grab my calculator out so you can see it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my $80 in for setup, and then I'm going to add that to 16 times 41. And that gives me $736. That's the closest thing to $750, okay, without going over, because that's the whole budget. If I round it up to 42, and I did $80 for a setup plus 16 times 42 people, I'm going to be over. And because they gave me a budget of $750, it doesn't matter that it's $752. It's too big. So that means you can only invite 41 people. So you can go back and check your work and make sure that you did that right. If you have questions on the rounding, make sure you contact me. Otherwise, you can get started on your homework. You finished the lesson. Congratulations.